Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today it is Halloween and we have got something special, don't we? We're gonna make peanut butter Snickers squares with a little bit of a spooky twist. We've got ghosts, we've got marshmallows, we've got spider webs, it's all going down. And these peanut butter Snickers squares are so easy to make. We're gonna melt down a combination of peanut butter, some golden syrup, and lots of sweet sugar. Then we're gonna mix through some spooky Special K, some desiccated coconut, and then top it off with some smooth melted chocolate. We're gonna add some spooky skeletons with lots of spider webs. It's gonna be pretty scary. Hold on to your hats. We've got our beautiful potions going here and in the back over here as well. So, will we start? Yeah? What do we need to do first? That one, okay, right. To kick this off, we are gonna make the Gloopy Glue that brings together all our beautiful Snickers squares. So, we need lots of this. What's this?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter. Okay, how much of this?
20.
20, perfect. Stick 20 in. 1, 2, 3. What do you think? Has Papa gone crazy? Has Papa lost it? Will it be okay for Halloween? Okay, good. Okay, we'll put that over. Oliver, give me the golden syrup. Okay, perfect. We put it in?
Yeah.
We do it, Ollie? We do it, Noah?
Yeah.
Okay, say yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah! Okay, golden syrup goes in. If you don't have golden syrup, you could use corn syrup. We're gonna use about 200 mils, about a cup going in here. Okay. Next in, to add to the sweetness, a little bit.
I can do it.
Oh, you want? Okay, you do. Go. Pour it in. Woo! Okay, sugar, golden syrup, peanut butter. We're gonna get that on the heat and we're gonna melt this down. Now that we have this peanut butter mixture looking gloopy, glossy and melted, the next stage is to add in our dry ingredients. So for that we need some desiccated coconut. Can you put that in the bowl for me? Or Ollie, do you want to do this one?
And
okay.
I was gonna do that.
Yeah, you do this one. So the coconut goes in the bowl. Nice. And then the Special K is gonna go in the bowl. Everything's gonna go in the bowl. This is the joys of working with children. And Max is around here too. Animals could be involved.
Try some.
Okay, mix it together for me. Mix it together. Oh, and we've got our peanut butter mixture looking good too. Okay. I'm gonna take that off the heat. This is nicely mixed through. Now we're gonna combine everything in the bowl and get it pressed down. So now we have packed in our mixture, it's time to top it with some chocolate. So, will I pour it, Noah? Sorry, Noah's busy eating the chocolate off the spoon. Okay, here we go. Ooh, look at that, Noah. Is it cool? Excuse me? I think he's a chocolate fan. So pour that chocolate over and then we're gonna spread it all over this mixture and let it set completely. So, our chocolate has come out of the freezer. We've let it set a little bit. Some fingers have gone in here. But now it's time to hey, get your fingers out of there! So now it is time to decorate it. I'm gonna slowly peel it out of this little silicone mold. These are now ready to be decorated. We have these spooky skeleton marshmallows with an edible pen, an edible black pen. I've just made these spooky skeletons. So now I'm gonna get the boys to put on our spooky skeletons and press them down, okay? And stop eating the chocolate. Will you do the rest, Noah? Show Ollie how to do it. You take some there. And over in the microwave, I have melted down some marshmallows that we're gonna try and make some spooky cobwebs over the top. Now, look at this, boys.
Papa.
We have melted down just a handful of marshmallows.
Papa.
Yeah, Noah?
I'm
Get your hand.
putting them all on.
Good job, Noah. Is it stuck? So basically my idea here is that we're going to create these little cobwebs to go over the top. Okay, let me have a look. Let's see how we did. Oh, very good. You got them everywhere. All over, all over. Good work. Let me put one down here so we don't miss him. And one down here, one down here. Okay, will we do the spooky cobwebs next? Spooky cobwebs? Okay. Mama. 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 Mama, come over here. Do we try some?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try. So the idea here is this melted marshmallow is going to form these cool cobweb effects over the top. Never tried this before, but we're giving it a go anyway. So I've lost my 2 skeletons, but we're nearly done here, and this looks great. It's literally just melted marshmallows, and I'm just stretching them over the top here. So we've got our little skeleton heads, we've got our marshmallows, and I'm just gonna finish them off. They're going wild in the corner. I'm gonna finish them off with some candy eyeballs, and then these are good to slice up. Okay, we have put all our eyeballs on our spooky Snickers squares, and it looks good, right? What do you think? Happy?
No, scary.
Scary. What do you think? Happy? Spooky. Okay, right. From our kitchen to yours, we want to wish you a big happy Halloween. Can you say happy Halloween?
Happy Halloween.
Can you say happy Halloween?
Happy
Happy
Ween.
Ween! If you want the recipe, as always, we'll leave it in the box below. Make sure you hit subscribe, ring the bell, and leave us a big comment in the box below saying what you're dressing up as for Halloween, right? What are you dressing up as? A skeleton? Are you dressing up as a skeleton? Amazing. Okay. We're going to attempt to cut these and dig in, but until then, we will see you soon. Say goodbye!
Bye.
Bye! Bye-bye! And we do a spooky voice like this. Spooky ghost. Woo! Can you do woo?
I'm just eating some eyeballs.
You're just eating some eyeballs. Great. Will Papa try and cut this now? I think that's going to be really hard. But look, we'll give it a go. Okay, bye.